So oftentimes folks are surprised that we do other things as well. We do fences because many times a retaining wall is built on a property line. And so naturally you need a fence there. We got asked about it so much that we finally decided we need somebody to do fences. And so we have a component so that it can be a completed project. Other things are we'll do soil amendments. So we'll put down soils, we'll do garden beds, do mulching, we'll do gravel pathways, we'll do decorative rock, we'll put down sod, we'll do sprinkler systems, low voltage lighting systems, and pretty much anything you can think of. We've done water features. Patios are, of course, a big one. There's flagstones, natural stones, stone features, monument stones. Show us a picture of your inspiration, what you've seen on Pinterest, and we'll come up with a game plan. If you'd like to learn more about New Life Rockeries, please contact us and we'd be happy to provide a free consultation.